for the fest pop. Thank you, guys. Ay, kamusta? Thank you, Vincent. How about your assignments? Still not done. I don't know kung bakit hindi pa tapos yung hindi pa dumating yung food. I don't know why. Have you guys been streaming Love Letter? Let's check nga. Ilang views na yung Love Letter. Speaking of that, masaya YouTube. What do you mean? Yeah, I should be careful. But 15 pa rin. Is my YouTube broken or something? Hello? Legit babag yan. Ngayon pa lang nag-chat si Ryder. Papunta na daw siya. Chat. Message pala. Message. Ay, naku. Pa-decline madaya. Nakabantay ako dyan. Pa-decline madaya YouTube. Bakit ganon? Ba't pa-decline yung YouTube views? Seriously? 15K? 15 carat? Yes, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since lunch. It's dinner. To be fair, I slept. Like 14, 30. Bakit ganon? Hindi wrap. No. Rice. Rice tayo tonight. Chicken and rice. Because I deserve it. Yes, we're gonna eat rice. Kamusta naman kayo, guys? How's the backdrop? Ayan o, di ba? Nag-upgrade na tayo slowly. Next time sana may na tayo. I hope we already have a PC and we can game well. Game well? Are you gonna watch Aniv concert again? Cool. I'm not sure. Maybe no. Maybe not this year. Anong cabinet? Gamer girl era na ba? No. Yapping girl era pa rin. Pakikuha ng lion. On the way na sa door mo. Ano daw? NFS. Most wanted on PSP. Oh, I don't have a PSP. I'm trying to get a PC first. And yes. I think I'm gonna focus on PC games for now. Because that's the easiest. Yung OG background mo nakamiss. Yung cabinet na brown. Alam mo, dahil sa'yo na-start na ako maglista para may topic or question. Oh, that's nice. That's good. Thank you, Moshblade. Arbor. Ay, bawal. Ano ba yun? Pre-pandemic? Pre-pandemic era pa yun. Are you gonna play story games in ba with your PC? If possible, why not? I'd wanna try that too. Of course. Thank you, Bintang, for the cake slice and heart me. Thank you, PS Stone, for the heart me and Moshblade for the fest pops. Guys, keep tapping. Today we aim for 100k hearts as usual. Pre-pandemic. 6 videos on your profile na umakit. Yes, thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Gift ka namin games through Steam if you want. Ooh, pwede. You guys, pwede. That's nice. Wag kang daw eyes one bukas. I wish. Thank you, PJ, for the heart me. Manifesting 2 singles, more events, and solo concerts. Kaya na 14 next year. I hope so. Patambay. No problem. Go lang. Marami akong mga utang sa mga top gifters. So next time na mag-ML na ako, let's go play. Okay? And sa mga sub. Yung airplane pa sa ceiling. Lumipat na kami ng bahay. Wala na kami doon. That's so sad. Siya na po yung deck 13 niyo po. Yes. Thank you. Uy, bagay yung Fest gear sa background ko. Yung border lang talaga yung medyo nakakamiss lahat ng OG background. Eh. Ang angas ng Fest gear. Sa bagong background, may favorite na akong may bago na akong favorite na sticker. I'm waiting lang maglabas ka ng Steam link mo, then if kaya mag-games gift. Oh, yes. Article, parate ng profile picture ko. Sino yan? Is that Max? Is that Bebe Max? Oh, no. Ikaw din? Yari kayo kay Max. Thank you, PJ, for the love you so much. Thank you so much. Wah. Thank you. Ba't puro kayo pa-rate? Ayan, i-rate nyo rin yung profile ni Chabo. Asa na? Andito ba si Chin? Andyan na yung food ko, guys. Wait lang. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Wala. Wala pa. Eh, ayan na. Wait nga, ano ba naman yan? Wait. Ay, Goya. Wait lang guys. Yes! I'm fine. Thank you, PJ, for the love you so much. Rate nyo din yung mga bumisita kanina. I-rate nyo din yung mga nandito. Na PFP. Ay! Hindi tayo nag-intro. Ba yan? Wala na, hindi na siya intro, guys. Ano na siya? Mid-tro na talaga siya. I think it's gonna be our thing already. Biglang ako sa live, may ginagawa pa pag... may ginagawa pa balik ako. Ate! Hello? Midro is a Coley thing. Hi! Are you podcast? No, we're gonna play tonight. Thank you, PJ, for the love you so much. Yun na yung usual dito, yes. Midro, no. Intro, no. Midro, yes. Thank you, PJ, for the love you so much. Call rate mo, PFP namin nila Moshblade. Si Chabu. Wait, adjust ko yung chair ko. Napakinggan ko. Ate, see you later. Song sa Energy FM and... Wait. Win Radio. Oh, thank you, Nico. Ba't di mo ako tinatag sa stories? Sabi ko, pag narinig nyo yung song, tag nyo ko. Para ma-repost ko sa IG. Jabu is... Yum, 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 yum. 7 out of 10 dahil favorite number ko. Moshblade is... Ooh. She looks there. She looks very... Ganun. So, 7 out of 10 din kasi favorite number ko. Then, 17 out of 10 pala. 17 out of 10. 27 out of 10. Si Lemona, favorite, ko din yun eh. Favorite, Oshi ko din yun eh, si January. Hi, te. Hi. Kamusta? Lang. Wala pa akong kain, guys. Pasensya na, ha? Dito na ako kumain sa street. Anyway. Sabi na, sinigin niya si January sa'yo. Di! Ba't kaya nun? Ba't yun si January? Lagi kami magkasama magluto sa sa BNK48 house. House? Sa dorm. Thank you, Heart, for the rosa. Meron akong bago na naman nung kasamahan nila ni Lojoho. Pero hindi ko sila papangalanan kasi tignan natin if they're worth the stage. No. They're worth the stage. So I got... Alam niyo, adopt me on Roblox. 18 lang naman tayo, no? Oh, so cute! It's a cat! Thank you, Heart, for the fires. Worth it ba yan? It comes with the food. Tadang. Wala, she's not gonna make it to the, to the stage. Sorry, I burped. Lang. For display lang siya dun sa... Let's see. Pag nag-audition siya, tas pumasok siya, sige. Cute! Not sponsored. Bawal mag-screenshot, guys. Ba't ganun? Pababa yung pakpak niya. Pag ganun siya lumipad, hindi pa ganun. Pag ganun. Baliktad. Hi! Bawal i-record muna. Kasi, ano ba yan? Hindi pwede to eh. Brand kasi to ng ano. Bakit ganun yung pakpak niya pababa? Yan. Is it worth the stage? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, fine. Just because the wings are pink. Sa maraming gaganap kapag Christmas break ko na kasi pwede ko napuntahan lahat. Hindi ko pa pwede announce pero wait nyo lang yung announcement sa official ano. Sige. Sige, payag ako sa stage siya. Kasi it's getting kind of crowded here already. Ayan. Hindi pa ako makain. Yung isa, wait lang, bubuksan natin isa. Thank you, Heart, for the you're awesome. Angel for the heartbeat. Thank you, guys. Wait lang. Hindi pa rin ako mid-throw. Ito na. Ito na. Hello, mabuhay. Ako po si Cole, representing MNL48 and Quad Lips. A proud Filipina represent. So enjoy many perks here po as I go live. And thank you so much for joining my TikTok live stream. Here, it's a little space where we game, we chat, we jam. We game, we chat, we jam, and sing. Mostly, we chat. Mostly, we game. But stay comfy and enjoy the vibes po. So, keep the hearts coming, share the live, and feel free to comment kasi I basically interact with you through this live. Gusto ko malaman yung mga thoughts nyo. So, kwentuhan tayo habang nag-enjoy. Okay? And yes. Today, lagi ka lito sa last part ng intro. Dapat may Manila paper dyan sa harap mo. Kasi, napaghahalo ko chat, game, sing, jam. Sometimes, sticker. We do stickers here too. Kapag hindi pa antok si Coley. I'm gonna eat. Saan yung isa kong gravy? Dalawang gravy ata. I'm gonna eat. Nood tayo YouTube! Nood tayo YouTube. Gusto niyo makita kung ano mga pinapanood ko sa YouTube habang kumakain? Kasi, anong tawag dito? iPad kid. I mean, not literally naman. I touch grass. Hello. So, what I usually watch. I kinda wanna watch this. What's my. But right now I'm in touch. Hey, then. Bittersweet. Ingat baka ma-restrict ka kasi other platform na siya maka-copyright ka. That makes sense. Okay, then let's not watch the music video. Ayoko ilagay dito yung earphones. Full screen mo para di halata. Naghang. Naghang ba? Wala, naghang. Naghang yung screen ko, wait. Why is that? I'm gonna... Mag-relive na naman ako, guys. Mag-relive na naman ako, guys. Dahil hindi, wala. 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 Wait lang. I'll be right back. Hold on, hold on. Relive lang ako saglit. Be right back. Ay, nak.